Half of 2026 is already gone. Think about that for a second. 6 months, 180 days, gone. Maybe you started this year with big goals. You promised yourself you'd become disciplined, get fit, learn a skill, start a business, grow your channel, or simply become a better version of yourself. But somehow, life happened. You got distracted. You procrastinated. You waited for motivation. And now, it feels like another year is slipping away. But here's the truth. You don't need another January to change your life. You need one decision, right now. Most people will waste the next 6 months exactly the same way they wasted the first 6. Then, on January 1st, they'll write another list of resolutions they'll never follow. Don't be one of them. Instead of thinking, I wasted half the year, ask yourself, what if the next 6 months become the best 6 months of my life? Because 6 months is more than enough time to transform your identity. You can build an incredible physique, read 10 powerful books, master a valuable skill, launch a business, grow a YouTube channel, or completely change the direction of your life. Not because 6 months is a long time, but because consistent days create extraordinary results. Here's your comeback plan. First, stop trying to change everything at once. Choose one main goal, one mission. Put all your energy into becoming exceptional at that one thing. Second, create a system instead of relying on motivation. Wake up at the same time, train at the same time, work at the same time. Repeat until discipline becomes your default. Because systems survive the days when motivation disappears. Third, stop counting how much time is left. Start counting how many focused days you can win. One great day becomes a great week. A great week becomes a great month. And before you realize it, your entire life has changed. Imagine waking up on January 1st, 2027. Most people will feel regret. They'll say, I wish I had started 6 months ago. But you won't, because you'll already be living the results of the decision you made today. Remember this, the next 6 months will pass whether you take action or not. Time isn't waiting for you. The only question is, when 2027 arrives, will you be proud of the person you've become? Or will you once again promise yourself, this year will be different? Don't wait for a new year. Become a new person before the new year arrives. Your comeback doesn't start on January 1st. It starts today. If this message gave you the push you needed, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on psychology, discipline, and building a life you'll be proud of.